Hello, everyone. Welcome back. This is Zephyr, and we are back with another video for our Arduino project series. In this project, we'll be creating a dynamic RGB LED controller using an Arduino board. But what exactly is a dynamic RGB LED controller? Well, simply put, it's a device that allows you to control the color output of an RGB LED in real time. RGB LEDs contain three individual LEDs within a single package: red, green, and blue. By varying the intensity of each color, you can create a wide range of colors. In this project, we're using an Arduino board to control the RGB LED. By adjusting the voltage levels sent to each LED, we can mix different colors and create mesmerizing visual effects. But before we dive into the details, let's gather the materials we'll need for this project. For this project, you'll need an Arduino board, an RGB LED, three 220 ohm resistors, a breadboard, and jumper wires.
To set up Activity Project 5 with an RGB LED on Arduino, first put a 5mm RGB LED on a breadboard. The RGB LED has 4 pins. 3 of them are for the individual colors, the red, green, and blue. The next step, you must connect a 1 220 OHM resistor from the pin of the RGB LED's red color. Similarly for the green color of the RGB LED. Another 220 OHM resistor should be connected from the green pin. And the last pin corresponds to the blue color, and 220 OHM resistor should be connected there as well. And after that, connect 3 jumper cables to the line on the opposite side of the 3 resistors, leading to the different digital pins, the pin 9, 10, and 11 on the Arduino board. And that's it. And the last pin of the RGB LED should be connected with a jumper cable to the GND of the Arduino board. And that's all.
After the assembly, let us dive into the code and see how it works. Let's start with the first few lines where we define the pin numbers for the RGB LED. This allows us to specify which pins on the Arduino board are connected to the LED's red, green, and blue terminals. In the setup function, we configure these pins as the output using the pin mode function. This ensures that the Arduino can send signals to the LED to control its colors. Now, let's move on to the loop function where the magic happens. We repeatedly call the color RGB function to display different colors on the RGB LED. The color RGB function takes three parameters: red, green, and blue, representing the intensity of each color component. These values range from 0 to 255, where 0 is off and 255 is full intensity. Inside the color RGB function, we use the analog write function to send pulse width modulation signals to each pin connected to the LED. This allows us to control the brightness of each color component. Finally, we use the constraint function to ensure that the color values are within the valid range of 0 to 255. This prevents any errors or unexpected behavior in case the values exceed to this range. And there you have it. With just a few lines of code and some simple components, we have created a captivating RGB LED controller using Arduino. This simple yet powerful code opens up a world of possibilities for creating dynamic lighting effects, mood lighting, or even interactive displays. Thanks for tuning in with Zephyr and joining us on this Arduino journey. I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching!